So, hello students. Today we are going to start the second part of differentiation, that is the product rule and the quotient rule. See, while solving the questions of differentiation, you will come across many questions that needs to be used, that needs to be solved by using these methods. Okay, so we have two rules of differentiation. These are basics. Okay, so first rule is product rule and the second rule is the quotient rule. So we have a formula for the both the rules. First one is product rule. So d by dx of u into v, product means multiplication, isn't it? So here u is being multiplied with v, so differentiation of u multiplied by v equals to u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. You need to remember here u come first, isn't it? So here also u will come first. There will be differentiation of v, and here v comes, and there will be differentiation of u. Simple. So how you are going to remember? So if there in the first place there is u, you have to first take out u and differentiate d by dx of v, and then take out v, differentiate d by dx of u. Okay, now see some of the examples. Now how questions will come? See, questions like this may come x into log x, or x into y, or log x into x. These questions might come. Okay, so how are we going to apply this formula? So we have been given x into log x. Okay, so first of all, let y equals to x into log x. So I have assumed this u and assume this as v. Okay, so now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. Now this, if we differentiate y, we get dy by dx equals to, now this is u, this is v, so we will directly apply the formula, that is u d by dx of v. We have u here, u d by dx of v, we have assumed this as v, so plus v d by dx of u, v d by dx of u. Okay, so x will be as it is. Now differentiation of log x is 1 by x, and plus log x differentiation of d by dx of x is 1, so no need to write. So x and x will be cancelled, we will be remained with 1 plus log x. So the value of dy by dx equals to 1 plus log x. Simple. Now let us see the second rule, that is the quotient rule. Now this formula is bit complicated, but it is one of the easiest one too. So how are you going to remember it? D by dx of u by v, d by dx of u by v. So here v is in the denominator, isn't it? Here there was multiplication, u was in the front. Here in the division u by v, what you are going to do? First of all, the denominator. What is the denominator here? Denominator is v. This denominator will come first. Okay, this denominator will come first. So v d by dx of u, v was in denominator, it will come at first. Okay, and differentiation of u minus u d by dx of v whole divided by v square. This is the formula. Okay, d by dx of u by v equals to u v, why v? Because it is in denominator, so u d by dx of v d by dx of u equals to u d by dx of v whole divided by v square. Now how are we going to apply in the questions? The question will be like x by log x, or y by x, or 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Okay, these are all the types of questions that will be solved by this quotient rule. So how are you going to solve it? First of all, we have been given x by log x, so we will assume this as u, this is v. Okay, so let y equals to x by log x. So now differentiating with respect to x, what we get? Differentiation of y is d by dx of y equals to, now what we have, v, isn't it? V is at the front, so v d by dx of u, v d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v, okay, d by dx of log x equals to, what is our v? V is our log x, so v square, that is log x whole square. No, now if we differentiate x, then we will get 1, so no need to write, minus x. Now differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so this and this will be cancelled, we will be left with 1, isn't it? Log x minus 1 divided by log x whole square, this is the value of dy by dx.